Every steel project, whether it's a trailer, a pressure vessel, or even a skyscraper, starts with cutting raw material to the right size. And in most fabrication shops, that job is done by a horizontal metal bandsaw. So what makes them different from other cutting machines? Let's take a look. At first glance, a bandsaw looks fairly simple. A continuous steel blade, fitted with rows of hardened teeth, travels in one endless loop around two large wheels. As the blade moves through the material, each tooth removes a tiny amount of metal. Instead of grinding or melting its way through the workpiece, a bandsaw cuts by producing thousands of small chips, creating a clean and accurate cut with very little wasted material. The blade has a thin cutting width known as the kerf. It removes less material than any other cutting method. That means less waste, lower cutting forces, and longer material yield over time. Not all bandsaws are the same. Smaller and manual gravity-fed machines are ideal for general fabrication and lower production environments. The operator positions the material, starts the cut, and the weight of the machine head allows the blade to feed steadily through the workpiece. They're simple and reliable. Larger hydraulic bandsaws automate much more of the process. Hydraulic downfeed controls exactly how the blade enters the material, improving cutting accuracy while reducing unnecessary blade wear. Many larger machines also include hydraulic vices that clamp the material securely, keeping everything stable throughout the cut. This becomes especially important when cutting large solid bars, thick tubing, or heavy structural steel. Another important feature found on many industrial bandsaws is coolant. As the blade cuts, coolant lubricates both the blade and the material, reducing friction and carrying heat away from the cutting zone. This improves surface finish and extends blade life. Metal bandsaws are capable of cutting more than just square bar. Depending on the machine and the blade, they can cut many other structural profiles. Many machines also allow miter cutting, making angled cuts for frames, supports, handrails, and structural assemblies without needing additional machining. Although bandsaws don't cut as quickly as some abrasive machines, they're designed for precision, efficiency, and repeatability. Before any welding, machining, or assembly, the material has to be cut. And that's where bandsaws come in. Follow us for more manufacturing, fabrication, and engineering content. If you want one of these machines, you can contact our sales team.